What is nesting in HTML document structure? Imagine building a house where rooms are inside other rooms, creating a clear layout. In HTML, nesting is like that, placing one element inside another. It helps organize content so browsers can understand and display your web page properly. When you start an HTML document, it begins with a root element called the HTML tag. Inside this, you usually find two main sections, the head and the body. The head contains information about the page, like titles and links to style sheets. The body holds everything you see on the web page, like text, images, and links. Within the body, you can nest different elements to structure your content. For example, you might have a heading tag like H1 for a title, followed by a paragraph P for text. Inside that paragraph, you can nest inline elements such as strong for bold or M for italics. So, a paragraph might look like this. P this is a strong bold / strong word and this is M italicized / M text / P. Nesting means opening a tag and then placing other tags inside it before closing the first one. For example, if you open a div to create a container, you can put multiple elements inside it, like headings, paragraphs, or images. This way, all those elements are grouped together logically. It's important to close tags in the correct order. If you open a strong tag inside a paragraph, you need to close /strong before closing the paragraph /p. This keeps your document valid and helps browsers display your page correctly. Certain elements have rules about what can go inside them. For instance, list items must be inside an unordered list all or an ordered list all. If you try to put a list item outside a list, it won't be valid. Knowing these rules helps avoid mistakes that can cause display issues. For beginners, understanding nesting is key because it keeps your code organized and makes your web page easier to read and update. When you nest elements properly, you can apply multiple styles and functions to your content. For example, you might nest links inside list items to create menus or images inside links to make clickable images. In short, nesting in HTML is about placing elements inside other elements to create a clear, hierarchical structure. This helps browsers understand how to display your web page and makes your code more manageable. Mastering nesting is an essential step in building well-structured, attractive web pages that work smoothly across all browsers.